And we'll go to export messages. So this is where we can export all the messages in our current search criteria. So let's say we just wanted all the sent messages. Search. We can click on export results. And here you can see what content we want to export. So we can do the XML serialized message. So this is going to be an XML message with the message in it, but with also some message Mirth specific data. We also have source, raw, processed raw, and a whole bunch of other message types. We also can compress it to zip or another compression. We can select our path to export it to. So we'll do XML serialized message, and I have a folder set up for Mirth messages. You can also include the file pattern. So this is just going to get the message ID and put the name as this type. So for example, it's going to be message underscore, and if the message ID was 1, it would put message ID 1.xml. So let's export those. 9 messages has been successfully exported. So now I can see those messages in my computer. So we can see that it exported all of these messages.